Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Let's Connect. It's a new lifetime deal on AppSumo, and it's a tool by which you can connect with your site visitor or with your customer by using their live chat feature, phone calling feature, or video calling feature. And if you see, it's an alternative of video ask, and they're saying that Let's Connect help you communicate with potential leads with a website widget or QR code so you can boost online sales. Now, if you want to see the lifetime deal pricing of Let's Connect, they are offering up to license tier 3. The license tier 1 pricing is 69 USD, and here you will get access of 3 users and unlimited live contact widget, unlimited live chat, phone and video communication, and install widget on unlimited website. And if you get this license tier 2, then you will get expert analytics and routing also. So these are the things. So depending on your need, you have to get any license tier that you need. And JPR integration is available. A/B testing is also available here. Now, without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Let's Connect and let's explore how things work here and how it can be helpful for us. This is the dashboard of Let's Connect, guys, and here in the dashboard you can see the statistics, the number of visitor you have gotten. You can see the visitors location. Also they have more statistics. Let me show you. Here see, you can see the persons who have been connected with you. You can see request by type, by web connect, by QR connect. You can also create here QR connect, guys. I'll show you how you can do these things. Then you can see the click rate, session duration, these things you can see here. So that means in this dashboard you can see the basic statistics of your widget. I hope you get idea, guys. Now, before exploring the feature, if you want to see what you can do with this tool real quick, then let me show you. Let's say here, if I click here test the widget, I have already created one widget. Here your website will be appeared basically. Let's say this is your website, and here in the right hand side you will get one pop-up. Just wait some time and I hope the pop-up will appear. See, here is the pop-up. You will get this type of pop-up here. Now if I click here, then see, here people can chat, people can do video calling and voice calling. So if I click here chat, then here people can send chat, and here you will get this type of notification. I hope you get idea, guys. You will get instant notification in this way whenever someone will message you, or whenever someone will call you. These are the basic idea behind this tool. You can create this type of widget here in this tool basically. See, this is the widget. You can create this type of messaging widget for your website, and this tool will allow you to connect unlimited number of website. Now to create new connect, just you have to go to this web connect, and then here you can just click here add web connect, and then you can create new connect. But I'm not creating new connect right now. I have already created two connect, as you can see. And if I explore this Passivern widget connect, let me explore you. See, here you can give the widget name and you can test your widget. You can copy test website URL also. You have to just copy and paste this small code, and then you have to insert this code on the back end of your website, and then the widget will be integrated with your website. After that, if I click next, here you can have different style. See, button style, button plus text style, and there have two type of button plus text style. Old style is this one. See, this is the old style, and this is the new style. After that, they have use default media. You can use default media that have been provided by Let's Connect. Also, you can use your own media. I'm not uploading my own media right now, but if you want, you can upload your own video, own image here. See, here you can see one image, right? You can change this image just by uploading here your own media. I hope you get idea, guys. And then here you can upload your branding things also. After that, if I click here next, here you can give the speech bubble text. May I help you further? I would be happy to support you personally and immediately. And it will be shown here. See, and then you can change the button color. You can add welcome screen. See, here is the welcome screen. I hope you can see. You can change these things, and you can customize the button if you want. from here, see, if I click here, then this more information button will be available, and then here you can give button text and link. So these are the things. If you want, you can give, let's say, subscribe. So in this way you can add here button also. You can change the button color, font color, then they have welcome message, you can change these things. After that, if I click next, then here you can add chat, phone call and video calling feature. Let's say you do not want to add phone calling feature, then just disable it, then it will be disabled. If you do not want video calling feature, then disable it, it will be disabled. These are the things, guys. But let's say I will enable both three features. After that, if I click here next, then here you can add closing message and closing message text. You can change the background color, font color, and here is a feedback form. See, here three feedback form I have been added, and if you disable it, then these feedback forms will be disabled. But if you enable it, then these feedback forms will be enabled, and then people can rate your service basically. I hope you get idea, guys. And then if I click next, then here you can add form. See, name, email address, phone. So this type of contact form you can add, and if nobody is available, this message will be sent to your customer. You can set up these things. You can change the contact form, background color, font color, and you can change different field option from here. You can make it record or non-record, and you can also give one privacy text here. People have to click this text. See, here is the privacy text. After that, they have message sent preview. If you want, you can show the preview, thank you for your message, and if you do not want, then you can disable. And then they have title and message, that means this thank you message you can set up. So everything almost you can customize here. After doing everything, just submit. So it's very easy to set up, and it haven't take more than 5 minutes, I think. So these are the things, guys. In this way, you have to create the widget, and then you have to just copy and paste a small piece of code on the back end of your website, and then your live chat feature will be done. Now I will test this feature. Let's say I will copy this website URL, and then I will open it in another window. Let's say this is one new window. Let me open it. Let's say this is your website, and here in the right hand side you will get one widget for live chat. Just let me wait some time. Okay, see here. And then now if I click here, now let's say I will chat. So if I click here chat, then if I just message here hi, then just notice that one notification I will get. Notification will start now. Just wait some time. So I'm not hearing the notification right now. Generally there will have one notification sound, and here you will get the notification. If I go to this incoming request and see here, the message I have gotten. Now from here I can send the reply hello, let's say hello, and then it will be sent. Now if I go to here, see here this message has been sent. Now if I want, or if the person want, they can send any file from here, and if they want, they can start video chat. Let's say if as a user I just click here video chat started, then request permission. Okay, let me give the request. Okay, I'm not mm, so let me start the video calling from here. Let's say if I click here, and then the video will be started here basically. But I'm not seeing the video right now, maybe because I'm using my camera to record myself. Let me off it, guys. So I have been off my camera from this video recording. Now let me end the call, and then here, let's say I'll start the calling again. Start video, and see, here is me. I
I
hope you
hope you
can see
can see
now.
now.
Yes.
Yes.
And
And
here
here
people
people
have
have
to
to
give
give
the
the
camera
camera
permission
permission
basically,
basically,
and
and
then
then
they
they
will
will
see
see
you
you
and
and
you
you
will
will
see
see
them
them
also.
also.
So these are the things, guys. I'm not doing these things anymore because some interference is happening here, as I'm using only one device. But I hope you get idea, guys. In this way you will be able to send the message to your customer, and you will be able to communicate with them, and video calling feature and audio calling feature is also available. These are the whole idea behind this tool, guys. After that, they have QR connect. If I go to this QR connect option, here you can create QR connect. Now what is QR connect? It will provide you one QR code, and if people just scan this QR code, then they will be able to connect with you. And see, I have already created one QR connect. If I enter to this QR connect from here, let me enter. And here, see, you can give your website URL. You can give the name of your QR connect, and then if I click here next, then here you can select it as video dialog or picture dialog. If I select picture, then this type of still picture will be shown, and if I select a video dialog, then this type of video will be shown. You can upload your own video from here. And they have option for if nobody answered the call, after how many seconds should a contact form be displayed. So you can select this time. You can select or change the welcome text, and then you can set up the customizable button. See, here is the button, and then here you can add your own media. You can change the button color, and then if I click here next, then here you have to set up your room. You can set up your waiting room here, and you can add the waiting message here. After that, here if I click here next, then here you have to set up your in the screen. You can give the thank you message. You can here ask them some feedback question. These are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. And then it will provide you one QR code. Let me show you the QR code, and then let me use the QR code from my mobile phone. See, here is the QR code. Now I will scan this QR code from my mobile phone. Let me scan, and then let me show you. So let me scan, guys. I'm scanning it. So I have been scanned, guys. Then if I enter to this URL, then let's see what will happen. So it's working, guys. See. So in this way, by using QR Connect, people can connect with your support basically. Let it be connected completely. So see, this type of widget they will get basically. Now let's say I will click here on this chat button. Let me click on this chat button, and then now I can send the chat. So let me send some message here. Hi. Let's say I have sent here hi, and see, here is the request I have gotten. So now if I go here, see, this is the request that I have gotten. Now if I send another reply here, let's say hello, and then this reply I will get also. I hope you can see, guys. Hi and hello. Now let's say I will make a video call from my phone, and now I will show you how the video calling will work, because now I'm using two devices, right? So let's say I will start my video calling, and see, here is the video calling starting. Here is
Here
the
is the
video
video
calling,
calling,
and if
and
I
if I
start it
start it
again
again
from
from
my
my
end,
end,
then
then
I
I
hope
hope
you will
you
be
will be
able to
able to
see me.
see me.
So
So
here
here
my
my
picture will
picture
be
will be
come
come
basically.
basically.
So these
So
are the
these are the
things, guys.
things,
In
guys.
this
In
way
this
you
way, you
can
can
mm,
mm,
do
do
video
video
calling
calling
here,
here,
but
but
my
my
camera is
camera is
not
not
working
working
here.
here.
I'm not
I'm not
sure
sure
why.
why.
So I'm ending the call. In this way you can do video calling with your customer, and you can give them support. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. The idea is very basic behind this tool. You can create here this type of widget. Here this type of widget you can create, and then people can chat with you, and you can also do video audio calling here. I hope you get idea guys about this Let's Connect tool. If you think guys you need this type of tool for your business and for your personal growth, then you can get this Let's Connect lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this deal in the description of this video. You can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Let's Connect lifetime deal. And the last thing is visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.